Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Easy. I am Muhammad Azim, an Odoo ERP function consultant and accountant. In this video, we will see how we can invoice our customers based on milestones, and let's see how it works in Odoo. Let's jump to Odoo ERP database, and first we will go to project, and in project first we need some configuration. For this we will click on configuration settings, and after clicking on setting you need to check this milestone checkbox and save it. Never forget to save it if it is not checked in your database. So I have already checked it and saved it. Now I will go to projects and I will create a new project, and its name is like website development services. Of course it is billable. Now I will create project. Now I will create some stages, new, in progress, and completed. And in the new stage I will create some tasks like project kick off, and second one will be design approval, and third one will be final delivery. And milestones are on project based. So for this I will assign milestone on my first. I will create some milestone for this project. I'll go to project and search here website development services. Click on three dots and here you will see milestones. I will click on milestones and I will create milestone for this project by clicking on new. First milestone will be project kickoff, and save, create a new. Second will be design approval, and third will be final delivery. Now I have created three milestones, and in each milestone we can also deadline for each milestone here, and when they will be reached we can click here reached. After creating milestone I will go back to projects and click open this project. Now I will assign milestone to my task. I will open this task and here you can see we have a field by the name of milestone. I will assign a milestone to this final delivery task. It will be related to final delivery. Save this. We'll again go back to second task, which is design approval. For this milestone will be design approval. Save it. Go to third task and it will be project kickoff. I will save this. After saving this, again I'm going to my project. I'm checking the task again. Now you can see milestone has been assigned, and now I will go to my sales application and will create a new product as a service for website development services. We click on new and it will be website development service based on milestone, and its type will be service. Create on order, it will create a project, and project template is website. We already created a project by the name of website development services. We will select that template. In invoicing policy, we will select based on milestones, and now I will save this. Now I can also put here its price, like let's suppose I'm saying that its price will be 9,000. I'm removing taxes and just save it. After saving it, I will go to orders, quotations, create a new quotation, and I will select my customer here. Let's suppose my customer is Kamran and my product is website development services. It's one quantity. It is a website redesign. No, it was not. It was website. Let me check my product again. It is website it was not. Let me create a new one. Clicking on new, and it is website development services. Its type will be service, and it will create a project. Project template will be website development services. Invoicing policy will be based on milestone. I am removing just its taxes, and its price, let's suppose, is 9,000. Now I will save this. After saving, we'll go to orders, quotations, and we'll create a new quotation. And let's suppose my customer is Kamran. I'm adding product. It is website development services. You can see its one quantity unit price is 9,000, and now I will confirm this. After confirming, you can see a three smart button has been appeared by the name of projects, milestones, and tasks. You know we already created one project, 3 milestones for this service, and 3 tasks. Now if I click on project, and in project, this is my project, and sale order number is 148 for this. Now I will click on tasks, and let's suppose I have completed this project kickoff task. I will simply drag it to complete it, and after completed, if I click on 3 dots, and now I will again go back to my sale order, and this is my sale order. If I click on milestones, and this is my first milestone, this project kickoff. Let's suppose I have completed this. I will click simply check on this milestone has been reached. Now let me save it, If now I will go back to my order, sale order. If I again go back to task, my project kickoff task has been completed. I will go back to my sale order, and here you can see now delivered is 0.33 because we have completed one milestone, and now we can invoice our customer for 0.33 deliver for one milestone. That will be 3000. For this we can create invoice. If I click on create invoice, there are three type of invoices: regular invoice, down payment in percentage, and down payment in fixed amount. I will create a regular invoice for this, creating draft, and you can see its amount is 2973 2970 according to 0.33. So it calculated automatically its delivered amount according to delivered quantity, its amount. Now analytic account has been linked with this invoice. Now I will confirm this invoice, and I can record payment against this invoice. In this way, you people can invoice your customers based on milestone. If I again go back to my sale order, again click on milestones, and this time I'm saying that design approval has been also reached. If I also check it and save it, again go back to sale order, and again if I click on create invoice, regular invoice, create in draft, and you can see this time it is 0.34. It is automatically rounded off, and this amount is 3060. It automatically create the payment on the based of its second milestone, because we have already created one invoice for the first milestone. Now it is for second milestone. Now we will confirm this, and after confirming this we can also record the payment against this invoice. So in this way you people can record, you people can invoice your customer based on milestone.